Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ahnaf. Today I will tell you a story about one man in a boat. Fishing is my favorite sport. I often fish for hours without getting, without catching, without, without catching anything. But this does not worry me. Some fishermen are unlucky. Instead of catching fish, they catch all boots and rubbish. I'm even less lucky. I never catch anything, even old boots. After having spent whole mornings on the river, I always go home with an empty bag. You must give up fishing, my friends say. It's a waste of time. But they don't realize one important thing. I am not really interested at fishing, but I am only interested at sitting in a boat, sitting on the boat and doing nothing at all. Okay, maybe just that. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.